To customize lock screen in Honor 600, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter home screen and style, and then we can click on the customize button on this left tile. That way we'll be able to change different things for our lock screen. Let's start from the top. If you click right here, you'll be able to switch to different clock style, so you can change those styles right there. You can also pick different font style, but this will only apply in certain styles from this page right here. Then there's options to also change the colors. And now we can click on our lock screen again to go back, and then there's a button to add widgets. You'll be able to apply different widgets to your lock screen. You can choose whichever one you want from this list. Then there's options on the left and right. There's a plus button or icons, depending on what you see. You can click on them, and then you can choose the shortcuts, for example camera and torch. That way you'll be able to use them quickly through your lock screen. There's a change image option, which allows you to pick different photo as a wallpaper. And there's also options on the bottom like lock screen style. You can switch between different styles or set motion photos, moving wallpapers, and you can also go for decoration, which applies frame to your wallpaper. When you're done with everything, click on this button, and that way you'll save and apply those settings to your lock screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.